don't get fooled with 3-in-1s. Oh, this cleans, seals, and polishes. So you're putting these on there thinking that you're protected and you're not. So it's important, but the 3-in-1s that supposedly seal and it's a lot less expensive than buying a sealer, I would stay away from those.
I agree. So, with a background in stone restoration, anything that's diluted or mixed with another formula, I'd question it if it's even a sealer, and then most importantly, if it's going to work at all. So sealer is specific to penetrate the stone. You must make sure that stone is thoroughly cleaned and apply that sealer correctly. That's where you're going to get the maximum penetration and maximum repellency, because that surface has been totally clean, the sealer's applied. But again, I would certainly question anything that has a claim or a mix, a blend of a 2-part, a 3-part. It just doesn't add up, not for proper stone protection.
Yeah, especially the price point. These 2-in-1s are very inexpensive, so I doubt there's any fluoropolymers in there at all to protect it. So when it comes to convenience, there's some great convenience products out there, but when it comes to sealing stone, that's not where you want to be convenient in terms of trying to dilute and not be protected. Now, there is a way to be convenient in sealing, and sorry to throw a pitch in here, Lenny, but I think our sealer wipes, there's your convenience. It's a ready-to-use wipe, but it's a sealer, and it's got full sealer in there, so that's a cost-effective way. And look at me, just plugging away. Sorry, I went off here, but that's a way to really be convenient and still properly care for your stones.